In Collaboard, you can add tags to almost any object. Tags help you structure content, make priorities visible, and keep large boards organized. On this board, we have 3 sticky notes with ideas. To create a tag, select a sticky note and click on the tag icon. Write, for example, high priority and confirm with Enter. The tag is created instantly and displayed on the sticky note. For another sticky note, you can assign a different tag, for example, low priority. You can also choose a color to visually support your categorization. Once tags are created, they are available for all other objects. You don't need to create the same tag again. A particularly useful feature is the search function. You can search and filter by specific tags to quickly find all related objects on your board. In addition, you can arrange objects based on their tags. Select multiple objects, open Arrange Content, and click on Organize. You can then sort by tags. The objects are arranged alphabetically and automatically grouped based on their tags. Existing tags can be edited or deleted at any time. To do this, open the tag settings on any object. Using the Edit icon, you can modify the tag. Change the text or adjust the color. These changes are automatically applied to all objects using that tag. You can also delete a tag completely. When a tag is removed, it disappears from all linked objects. This makes tags a flexible and dynamic way to structure your boards. Ideal for prioritization, project management, and workshops.